Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mary Chep, and in today's video we are going to make boiled rice. So here is 1 glass of rice. Then we have some cabbage cut into small pieces. Here we have our liver cut into small pieces. So what we are going to fry them. Here we have our onions, some tomatoes and some dania. So we are going to do steamed cabbage, boiled rice and fried liver. So let's start with frying our liver and then our steamed cabbage, and then lastly we are going to boil our rice. See you. So I'm going to put some cooking oil. I'm waiting for my cooking oil to be ready. Then I'm going to add some onions. Add some salt to taste. So let's leave our onions to cook for some time. So after my onions was ready, I added in my cabbage. So my steamed cabbage is ready. So let's go to making our liver. We are going to add some cooking oil. Then I add my onions. We give time our onions to cook. So our onions are ready. So what we are going to do, we are going to add our liver. Then I'm going to add my onions on top. So I'm going to cover and give it time to cook. So our supper for tonight, we have boiled rice, steamed cabbage, liver, and some soup. So this is our supper for today: steamed cabbage, fried liver, some soup, and boiled rice.